Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your text into emojis on the Ask AI Chat and Get Answers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this fun subcategory within the suggestions section and click on the third option, which is turn any text into emoji. Here you can find the preset instructions, so I want you to translate the sentences I wrote into emojis. Here are the sentences. Hello, what's your profession? If you want to, you can delete this sentence and type in your own one, and when you are done, click on the send button on the right side in the middle of the screen. And then in a few seconds the emojis will be created. So here you can see it. Then you can also type in the new sentence. Here you will be able to see it in a few seconds. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.